guys, welcome to Achudeep EduTech YouTube channel. Guys, we have in the last lecture we have discussed about Porifera. Now we will going to discuss about Cnidaria. Okay. So what this phylum has a character. What are the characters of Cnidaria? These are the probable question, like explain characters of Cnidaria, or what are the characters of Cnidaria, explain any 5 characters of Cnidaria. Okay, so these may be the probable questions in your board examination. So we are going to discussing about Cnidaria. So in this, first point is body structure of these animals are cylindrical and umbrella shaped. Okay, if body structure is umbrella cylindrical, if body structure is cylindrical, okay, then it is called as polyp. And if body structure is umbrella, then it is called as medusa. ये आपके आंसर में आना चाहिए. ये फर्स्ट पॉइंट, दिस इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट इन Cnidaria. Okay, now second point is these organisms mostly marine, very few are aquatic. Aquatic से भी ज़्यादा aquatic और fresh water. Okay, so very few are aquatic or fresh water. Number 3, this is also one of the very important character, that Cnidaria shows the body symmetry is radial, okay, and they are diploblastic organisms. Okay, the body symmetry is radial symmetry, and they are diploblastic organism. Now, what is radial symmetry and what is diploblastic organisms? Okay, diploblastic organisms. So if you want to know this, you can watch our videos on body symmetry and germ layers. So in the germ layers we have discussed about what is diploblastic. This is the continuation of this. So, and radial symmetry also we have a separate video on radial symmetry and separate video on germ layers. So you can watch those videos. Now the fourth point is Cnidoblast is bearing tentacles around the mouth. Okay, Cnidoblast is bearing tentacles around the mouth. So now what is the use of tentacle? Tentacle. So these are the tentacles. These are the tentacles. You can see over here I have named tentacles. Okay. So tentacles are used for the capturing of prey. Tentacles are used for the capturing of prey and Cnidoblast is what it inject the toxin into the prey body. Okay, so these are the characters of Cnidaria. They have cylindrical and umbrella shaped body. If cylindrical body, then it is called as polyp. If body structure is umbrella shape, it is called as medusa. These organisms mostly marine, very few are aquatic or freshwater. Cnidaria shows body symmetry is radial and diploblastic. Cnidoblast is bearing tentacles around the mouth. Tentacles are used for capturing the prey, and Cnidoblast inject the this toxin into the prey body. Now, examples. One is Hydra. Second is sea anemone. Okay, these two organisms belongs to Cnidaria. Hydra is having cylindrical body and sea anemone is having umbrella shaped body. Okay, so umbrella shape is called as medusa and cylindrical shaped body is called as polyp. Okay, so now this is two phylums we have discussed in non-chordates, invertebrates. Okay, so in the next lecture we will discuss future next phylums. Okay, so hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Share with your friends because sharing is caring. Thank you.